going on, amazing people? My name is Michelle Farley of MichelleFarleyWrites.com, and each week on my channel I provide tips, tricks, and resources for creative entrepreneurs. I did want to show you how I make customized titles using Canva for my iMovie projects. Now I also use Final Cut Pro and I also use Adobe Premiere, but today I figured I would just use iMovie because it's simpler. So I hope you enjoy it and let me know in the comments. All right, bye.
So I'm making this video on Saturday, September 12th. I had a list of things that I wanted to get accomplished today, and one of those things was to create an intro video, 30 seconds or less, for my YouTube channel. I had a couple of behind the scenes footage and some previous videos that I wanted to kind of cut and splice together just to give them, a brief overview of what my channel is all about. So if you're familiar with iMovie, then you know that iMovie already has like a list of titles that you can use. You can swear through them and kind of, see which one will work for your vision. Usually use the line title text, and it looks fine, as you can see here. But I wanted something a little bit more that stood out, a little bit more definition, something that just kind of really popped and spoke to my personality. And I even thought maybe if I did like a fade in or something that would help, along with providing the title, and it just wasn't feeling it. So I decided to hop over to Canva.com. If you're not familiar with Canva.com, it is a non-graphic designer stream. You can make anything from videos to infographics. It runs the gamut. I was looking for a template that just really just made that first like 3-5 seconds really pop. Scroll down, see if there was anything that really caught my eye. I saw a few things, but I wasn't quite sure. But I wanted something modern and sleek, and I came upon this one right here, that winter site-wide sale, and I'm like, hey, that might be a great intro. So I opened it up and I was like, let me type in my title. So Michelle Farley Writes. I knew that it was a little larger, but I knew that it would fit. So at first I wanted to just expand it out some to see where my lines were, how much room I could get. This was grouped together. So if you ever want to ungroup it, just go there. And then it will make those individually. I wanted to get rid of the house symbol because I didn't think I was going to use it with anything else, and just kind of rearrange things a little bit. Super easy to do. And here I'm typing in what my channel is really that I think is about. So passion, productivity, and of course profits. And then I decided to play around with, just to make sure that everything was aligned. I'm still gonna mess around with the size of the text, but I just wanted to make sure that everything was aligned. And I'm playing a channel for creative entrepreneurs, and looks good so far. So I'm gonna go up here and just play around with the size of the text until I get something that I like. Now I typically use this is Montserrat. I can never say that right, but that is typically the font that I use. But I was thinking about whether or not I wanted to change that up, and I was like, nope, I'm gonna keep it the way I have it. So now I am just getting to the correct size, because I have this thing where I do want everything on one line. No, not quite. So I am going to try one more. Oh, there we go. So, and I like that a lot. I'm gonna do the same thing for what my channel is about, and that is a 14, and it looks pretty good too. And again, just bringing it down, giving it some space, making sure that it's aligned. And I'm gonna go ahead and bold it just to make it pop a little bit more. And then I'm gonna do the same thing up top. I'm gonna try 14, and then again, make sure that it is aligned with the other text. And yeah, I like it. Yeah, I think I like it. And I'm going to go ahead and make that a little bigger because I do have a little bit of room. I think that pops out a little bit more. So that's 18. And then I'm going to play it here. So as you can see, now the video behind it, I'm definitely not going to use, but it gives me a better idea how it will look with my video. Okay, so now I want to click on the outside box here. You can see it's highlighted in blue, and I am actually going to delete the back. All right, so now you just have that title. So I'm going to come over. I'm going to delete the second page too because we don't need it, and I don't want to accidentally download both of them. And then I'm just going to change the name just for my own records, and YouTube intro title. Okay, so now I'm going to download it, and this is the important part. So you want to make sure that you click download and then download again. And right here where it's MP4, you want to change that to a PNG and a transparent background. I normally leave that size alone and then download. Super easy. Now it should be in your downloads, and then you can click out of there and you can head over to iMovie again. You could just upload the file to your media file, but I'm not doing that. So what I will do is just grab it from over there and just put it into my clip section, because that's just how I do things. Don't come for me. Okay, so now I want it to be an overlay, so I'm going to have it directly over that first clip, and then I'm going to make sure that it's aligned with the first clip. So I move that over, move it over, and then as you can see, it's kind of off, so I'm going to click on the yellow part first. I'm going to put picture in picture. You can see that some of it is still a little cut off, so then I will go over, align it up a little bit first. Then I'm going to head over to the editing box and then change it from Ken Burns. Definitely don't want crop to fill, so I'm going to fit, and so now I know it's all in that frame. All right, so we're all good with that. So then I'm going to go back to picture in picture, and now I'm just going to expand the title out to the borders, just making sure that it doesn't go over, and then making sure that it is aligned. So I'm looking for the thin yellow line you just saw there. And yeah, so now we're going to test it out. Let's fade in, and not bad at all. And then this is, you know, the video. I'm still working on that too, so still working on that. I am noticing that I probably then I can do like saturation, some color, and work on that too. But as you can see, like doing a title is super easy. I think you can mess with the filters too. So if you wanted to like change the colors, like if you wanted to do vintage, then it, you know, kind of has like a yellow color or blockbuster color. You can try that and then get a preview of it and how that would look. I think it kind of blends in with my shirt, so I probably wouldn't use that, but I do like that it pops a little bit more, so I might work with some color on that. And yeah, so I actually like the way it looks. I'm definitely going to play around with the fonts a little bit more. This is an example of one I did earlier, again using Canva and using a different design in Canva. So that is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like button, subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell notification so you'll know when new videos drop. So as you can see, I'm back over here playing with the sizing to see. I just want that, you know, I want all of the text to pop a little bit more. And so one thing when working in Canva, like this is at 108%, is that when you download it and you put it on your frame in your video, like it can look smaller. So while I still have you guys here, We'll just try a second one really quick to see how it is. So I'm going to delete that, and then I'm going to go back over here and grab the updated one and plop it right there. And again, there's definitely a different way you can add it. I can already tell that I like the size of the title already. So we go back over here to the editing tool, we hit fit, so it fits the title screen. And then instead of cutaway, we want to scroll down to picture in picture and pull it out, make sure that it's aligned, and then just go to the borders without losing any part of the design, how far we can go. And then looking for that line to make sure that everything is, and here we go. I'm actually going to expand it out a little bit more. Now it may look a little pixelated right now, but this is, not the final quality, so it will go out in 1080, so it won't be as fuzzy, but I do like the size of that. I always am mindful about whether people are watching my videos on their desktop or their laptop, their phones, or their television. So you want to make sure that your titles, are visually appealing in any form that your viewer may be watching it in. All right, so I made sure that it was aligned because I didn't do that last time. And that's it. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. That is the updated version of it. Again, this is Michelle Farley of MichelleFarleyWrites.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Again, if you did, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting. If you have used Canva to make your titles and what has been your success, what are some of the yays, some of the nays, all that good stuff. So until next time we meet, I wish you peace, blessings, love, joy, all the amazing things that can come your way, and we'll talk real soon. Bye.